Fetch AI's massive breakout continues to be on fire after bouncing on a key area of support above the 1.162, breaking above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, and the next key area of resistance that I'm watching for a break above lies above the 1.48. And on today's video, I will be discussing a negative structure that is playing out here on this chart and also give you my breakout target areas. And for those of you that want to take some trades, you can check out Bybit, which is giving you up to $20 in sign-up bonuses, and you can also earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And getting back to the charts, I have this Elliot structure that I've been tracking since the 8th of July after we got a bit of a breakdown move, and afterwards we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked in a negative count 1. And after we picked in a negative count 1, we started a corrective structure in a negative count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, increasing the likelihood that we have now bottomed out in this negative count 2. And in the next coming hours, we can continue seeing higher prices in a negative count 3. And because of the impulsive nature in this additive count 3, I'm expecting to see a micro additive count also play out within that additive count 3 in a 5-wave structure, having the additive count 5 in blue completing the formation of this additive count 3. And I have such a scenario that I've now been tracking since the lows that we made on the 25th of July. And zooming out here on this chart to show you that additive structure, we can term this bounce to the upside as an additive count 1. And after we picked in that additive count 1, we started a breakdown move in an additive count 2. And since there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in this additive count 2, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulsive wave in a negative count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then a negative count 5. And to just show you that the second wave has done the minimums that we expect a second wave to do, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that additive count 1, we get a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618. which perfectly lies between the 1.25 and the 1.226, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts in red, which is an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out, and in the next coming hours we can easily see an aggressive bounce to the upside in this additive count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that additive count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 1.546 here on the chart. And for all that to play out, we first need to see a break above significant highs and resistances, and the significant high we need to break above lies above the 1.348. The moment you manage to break above that with a retest, then there are high chances that we are going to see an aggressive bounce to the 1.48, which is a key area of resistance, maybe break above that with a retest and fully maximize our minimum target areas in that additive count 5, that is additive count 3, above the 1.55 in the next coming hours. So that is the price action that I'm watching out for here on the Fetch AI chart. And I have my breakout target areas, having the 1.48 as the first breakout target area, then the 1.55 as the second breakout target area. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to continue holding above support at the 1.1162 in the next coming hours. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.